Taking after English. Mastering the phrasal verb, take after. Hello, dear learners. Welcome back to our English language learning series. Today we're going to discuss an interesting part of English grammar, phrasal verbs. Specifically, we're going to delve into a common phrasal verb, take after. By the end of this lesson, you'll be using take after like a pro in your conversations. First things first, let's unpack the meaning of take after. The phrasal verb, take after, means to resemble someone, typically a relative, in appearance, behavior, or character. It's usually used to indicate similarities between family members. So if someone says, "You take after your mother," it means you look or behave like your mother, or you have similar qualities or characteristics. Now that we know what take after means, let's explore how to use it in a sentence. Take after is followed by a direct object, which is typically the person you resemble. For example, John takes after his father. This means John looks like his father or has similar characteristics. My brother takes after our grandmother. This suggests that the brother shares similarities with the grandmother. Remember, take after is not used to show a physical possession but to highlight a resemblance or likeness. Time for some practice. Let's try creating some sentences using take after. Here are some examples. 1. She takes after her mother with her love for art. 2. Do you think the baby will take after his father or mother? 3. I take after my grandfather in terms of my entrepreneurial spirit. Feel free to create your own sentences and share them in the comments. Practice makes perfect. And that's a wrap for today. Remember, take after is a phrasal verb that expresses resemblance between two people, often in terms of appearance or characteristics. It's a wonderful phrase to add to your English vocabulary to make your conversation more native and fluent. Keep practicing and soon enough, it'll become second nature to you. Thank you for joining us in this lesson, and we hope to see you in the next one. Keep learning and stay curious.